Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is find the moment of inertia of a straight line. Consider its length is L. Consider a uniform load uniform straight rod AB of length capital L, mass M, capital M, and center C. Then mass per unit length of rod equals to M by capital L. Moment of inertia about an axis through its center. Let the moment of inertia of the rod about the axis y dash passing through its center C and perpendicular to its length b I, and consider a small element of length dx of the rod at distance x from the point C. The mass of elementary portion of the rod equals to m by L into dx. The moment of inertia of the elementary portion of the rod about the axis y dash is di equals to m by L m by L dx into x square. So it is mass of elementary portion. A mass of elementary portion is m by L into dx, and distance from the axis y dash. So y dash is x, so x square distance of the y dash whole square. So I get the value m by L x square dx. The moment of inertia I of the rod AB about the axis y dash can be found by integrating the above for all each elementary portions between the points A and B, that is by integrating the above between the limit x equals to minus L by 2 and plus L by 2. Now I integrate di equals to integrate di is equal to m by l, upper limit l by 2 and lower limit l minus l by 2 x square dx. And I applying the integrating formula, x to the power n dx is equal to integrated x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So in here n equals to 2, so I get x cube by 3. And putting the upper limit and lower limit, I got the value